Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week and I have $5.20 that I'm going to be putting into my envelopes. I already figured out my wallet. That's getting $170 this week. So I plan on putting in here and spending, I plan on putting $30. Eating out is going to get $30. Groceries, $80 this week. Coffee is getting $20 and buffer is gonna get $10. So that's my wallet for the week. That's the $170. I have $5.20 minus $170, which equals $3.50. Okay, so I have $3.50 left to put into everything else. I'm gonna first start off in my savings because there's a fun little game I get to play in here. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, so I like to figure this one out first since I have to roll the dice and I want to just get that out of the way. Yeah, okay, so let me get my dice so I can play this game. All right, so, and this will be linked down in my description. It's really cute. Reminds me of Mario. So, and it's fun to play. So I'm gonna roll 5 times. Oops, I also forgot my little sticky note that I write on. Okay, so 5 rolls for this time. We'll see how much that is. Hopefully it's not too much because I don't have as much to play around with in this cash planning. Okay, so 2. Oh wait, no, sorry, I forgot how to play this. 2 and 3. So I'm gonna go 2 and 3, which is a rainbow. So that's $2. So kind of just like have to match them up. Okay, 5 and 6. So 5 and 6, which is another rainbow. So that's $2. Okay, good. 3 and 2. 3 and 2, which is a diamond or coin, sorry. That is $10. Okay, 2 more. 6 and 6, which is a star, so that's $1. Now 1 more. Oh, hold on, let me roll that again because I almost fell off. 6 and 4. So 6 and 4 is another coin. Okay, so now I'm doing 25 in savings, which is quite a bit, but you know what? It's savings, so I feel like that's good. So that's 25. Just gonna put all my things back. Okay. And then I'm just gonna write this on the bottom just so I can keep track of it. So I'm gonna put power up. That's gonna get 25. And then I will figure out the other savings challenges in a bit after I've gone through all my other envelopes, and then I can see what I have left to put in there. All right, so black binder is next. Okay, so I can't put as much as I usually would have, or I don't have as much to be able to put in. And I want to get something into every envelope. So I'm trying to think of what are good numbers I could put in here. I think extra debt, I'm just going to do 20 in extra debt. So I'm going a little out of order just because I want to make sure these other ones get more. And then emergency, I'm just going to put 20. Okay, so these other ones aren't going to get as much in each one. So auto repair, I'm going to put 10. Christmas is going to get 5. Electronics, I'm going to put 10. Okay, did emergency, did extra debt. Furniture is going to get 5. Rainy day. I actually have a good amount in here already, so I'm going to do 5. Registration is going to get 5. I'm starting this one up again because I already paid my tags for this year, so now I'm saving up for next year. So that's gonna get 5. Road trip, I'm gonna put 5 in that one as well. Scentsy is going to get 5. Lots of 5s. Subscriptions, this is also gonna get 5. Treat yourself, I'm gonna put, I have 61. I'm gonna put 9 in here. 9, just to make it 70. All right, so that's it for that one. I might be able to go back in and add a little bit more depending on how much I put in these, in this white binder. We shall see. All right, beauty, let's see. But I do need some things from this envelope, this binder, so I might have to prioritize this one a little bit more. Like beauty, I know I need new toner. And I have a $10 gift card to Sephora. I have 30. I'm gonna put 10 in here. I don't need new toner like right now, but I'm getting low, so I know I have to get that soon. Clothing only has 6. I'm gonna put 15 in clothing. Content is just gonna get 5. That one's not a super priority on that one. Costco's just gonna get 5 because I already have a good amount in here. Disney, okay, I'm going to Disney on the weekend, so I have 79. I'm gonna put 15 in Disney. Family, I'm going to put, I have 69, so I'm gonna put 11. Fun, I'm gonna put 10. Gifts is going to get, oh, I have 100. Okay, that's just gonna get 5. Hobbies, I have 24. Let's put 6. Holiday decor is going to get 5. Home decor, I have 14, so home decor is going to get 11. I need this. I haven't looked again, but I want to get a comforter. So I'm just put 11. Household, 15. Target, 14. I have 16, so I'm gonna put 14. Okay, so I have 94 left, and I have a few more things to fill in. Okay. I have Go Wild, which I'm going to go wild next week. Can't believe that. So far, I have 25.70. So I'm just gonna put 15 and go wild. I'm left with 79. It's actually not too bad. So I think what I'm gonna do, before I go into savings challenges and the 100 envelope, I'm just gonna bump some of these up a little bit more because I feel like I could get a little bit more into these. So let me get my white out. Oh, actually, let me double check, make sure all of this is correct first. So I'm just gonna recalculate everything just to make sure I'm all good. I'm just gonna calculate it on camera. All right, so I have 520, 170, 10, 5, 10, 20, 20. I have a bunch of 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 9, 10, 15, 10. I have 2 5s there. 15, 11, 10, 5, 6, 5, 11, 15, 14, 15, and 25. 79, perfect. Okay, so I do have $79 left. So I'm just gonna bump up a couple of these. So emergency now is gonna get 25 minus 5. And so is extra debt. That's gonna get 5 more minus 5. I wanna put more into Disney since I'm gonna be going soon. So I'm gonna bump this up to 20. So that's another 5. 64. Oh, clothing. I want to bump this one up too because I do need to buy a couple of things before I go on my trip. So this is gonna get 20. I'm left with 59. Okay, I think that's a good place to go into my challenges then with that amount. The first one I'm gonna do though is, let me see my 100 envelope challenge binder. I have this nice binder now. And it's nice because I condensed this and now I have all the lower amounts to work with. I don't have as much because I want to put something into like everything. So let's go with, maybe I'll just do, I have so many options I could do. Let's do, I'm just gonna put 20 in here. Yeah, 20. Okay, I have 20 that I'm gonna put in here. So 100 envelope is gonna get 20 minus 20. Okay, and then the rest of this is just gonna go into my savings challenges since I have a few. So I have this one right here. I'm just gonna put 10, yeah, 20, wait, hold on. I have this 10, I have a 5, and then I'm just saving ones. So let me do that here. I have 10, 5s, and 1s. The ones obviously are gonna get, well, I could do 4. I'll just do 4 ones. Okay, so that leaves me with 35, and then I'm gonna do, in the $10 challenge, I'm gonna do 20. And then I can do 3 5s, so that's 15. Perfect. All right, so now I'm going to do my tallies on this so I can figure out the denominations on everything. So auto repair is gonna get a 10, Christmas, I'm gonna get lots of 5s today. Electronics is 10, I have a 25, another 25, and then I have a bunch of 5s here, so it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, yep, that's correct. And then I have 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 5, another 5, 20, 11, so that's 10 and a 1, another 10, 5, 6, 6, 6, 5, and a 1, and then a 5, 11, 15, 10 and a 5, 14 is 10 and 4 1s, 10 and a 5, and I just like to do tallies, just it's preference, and I just like to do them. 25, so 20 and 5, and then 20, 20, 10 and a 5. Oh, no, sorry, I messed up this part, sorry. This one is not getting that breakdown. Okay, so these are the 10. I want to get 2 10s, so this is going to be 2 10s. This one I want to get 3 5s, so that's 1, 2, 3 5s, and then this one is 4 1s, 1, 2, 3 4. Okay, I think that's right. I almost messed up, but I think I caught it. So 50s is 1, 20s 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20s, 10s 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 10s, 1s. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Hopefully I didn't count that wrong. 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then this should be 20, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so 50s, 150 is 50. 9 20s is 180, 160, 22 times 5, oh geez, what's 22 times 5 is 110 and 20. And then we have 50, 180, 160, 110, and 20, which is 520. Perfect. I love when I don't mess up. It's the best. All right, I'm gonna get my little sticky note that I have here to just put down the amounts. It's a little slip I take to the teller. It's super fancy. Got it off of Amazon. These little Post-its. So 50s, I'm gonna get 1, and that's a total of $50. 20s is 9, and that's a total of $180. 10s, I'm getting 16 of those. That's a total of $160. 5s, 22 5s, total of $110. And 1s, 21s, total of $20. And that equals out to $520. Okay, so that is what I'm going to be getting from the bank, and then I just put it in my wallet just so I don't forget it, because I won't forget my wallet, but I might forget that little slip if I don't put it in here. And that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see how I actually cash stuff, put this in my envelopes. That'll be coming on Sunday. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And we're almost at 50,000 subscribers. So yeah, that'll be exciting once I hit that milestone. But I hope to see you all in the next video.